Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode with Brand Out Consulting. Today we're going to be talking about how to input tools. This one is pretty straightforward. Once again, we go to Master Files, we go to Tools, and New. Today we're going to be making a clamp for our pencils. So we're going to do a 1-inch clamp. Clamp 1 inch. Now on this one, we want to make sure that our status, we have it as active. Monitoring units. So this one can be in cycles and hours. In this instance, we're going to be using cycles because that's what clamps use. You can put hours for other types of tools, but again, it's whatever your equipment is. So this is how many hours it's been in use. Maintenance cycles hours, so you can put it in here. So let's say, I don't know, 100. And replacement every 10,000. Maintenance due, we can put it in 30 days. Replacement due in a couple of years. Well, let's do 1 year from today. Let's go ahead and do that. Now, item number, what we put in here is you purchase this, then this is where you're going to match up the item number. But since we don't have the clamp as a purchase item and rather a tool, we're just going to go ahead and leave that blank. In bills of materials used, this is essentially where when we put in and build our bills of materials, it will auto-populate here. So we don't need anything here right now. And same with manufacturing orders. So today's was pretty quick and easy, and if you found this helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks everybody.